Hello everyone, this is Yaku and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how you can hide your IP address and stay anonymous as you browse the internet. So if it's your first time coming to this channel, I talk about cybersecurity and how you can improve your skills as a penetration tester. So if it's your first time, please make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. I'll be dropping more videos in the coming weeks, and I'm trying to keep it consistent. So every week I'll be dropping about 3 videos. So please stay tuned and
So if you don't
watch
have
this
Tor
video till
installed,
the
make
end.
sure that
Thanks.
you just run sudo apt get install Tor. Pretty easy. And once you've installed Tor, you can now start configuring your proxies. So now you can now start configuring your proxies. So one way to configure the proxies is by editing the proxy chains. So if you're using Kali Linux, there are 2 proxy chains. There's ProxyChains and ProxyChains 4. So we're going to go in ProxyChains 4. So ProxyChains 4, make sure that you have random chain enabled and you have proxy DNS enabled so that you cannot leak the IP address through DNS, and leave everything else as is. And right at the bottom, you're going to see different proxy IP addresses. So these are all your proxies. So each proxy is going to be an IP and then a port number. So for now, we're going to be using Tor. So we're going to be focusing on SOCKS 5 and using the port 950 since we've got Tor installed already. So make sure that you have Tor installed and you are using ProxyChains for configurations and stuff like that. So from here, you can see that my IP address is a private one. But if I open Firefox, you'll be able to see that my IP address is not really private and everybody can see my IP address. I'm not hidden. Everybody can track me, see whatever I'm doing. You know, if I commit any crime, they will arrest me. So now what I want to do is use ProxyChains 4 and Firefox. So I'm gonna pipe everything, all the requests that Firefox is making are gonna go through ProxyChains. So this way it will be very hard to identify the IP address, and as you can see there is no IP address available. So that's it for the video. Thank you very much for watching, and if it's your first time coming here, please subscribe and like the video, and thank you very much. Ciao.